traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I'm definitely still leaning towards this continuing the uptrend. I think it's more likely it's eventually going to go up and take out these highs because I believe this is an A, I believe this is 3 ways down for a wave B, and I think we're in 5 ways up for an expanding flat wave C. So let's take it down to the weekly because that's going to take a very, very long time to play out. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as 5 ways up. I still think it's a wave 1 of 3. WXY down, I still think it's a 2 of 3. I believe we're already in a wave 3 on the weekly time frame, and all these moves are just subdivisions of that wave 3, and I believe it will continue on the weekly time frame at least. It could make higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the daily time frame, like I've been saying, ever since struts broke several weeks ago to the downside way back here, I've been looking for sorts, making some really good money looking for sorts. Now, we haven't broken struts to the downside yet, so technically the trend still is up on the weekly and the monthly. Hopefully at some point it probably will bounce and start a brand new uptrend. But for now, there's definitely no signs of it bouncing, so I'm definitely still looking for sorts on sorter time frames. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, the last structure level that I'm really paying attention to is right here. Until or unless it breaks that structure right there, I'm actually still looking for sorts. We have been kind of hovering around this 78% level, which is a daily time frame fib. So maybe it will respect that level, maybe it will go up, maybe it won't. I'm definitely still looking for sorts. So for me, if it does go up, take out these highs and then make it like an engulfing move to the downside, I will go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. I trade with the trend until the trend is proven to be over, and for me the trend was definitely not proven to be over until we break above this high right here and hold above it really solid. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was just explaining on the 4 hour, I'm definitely still looking for sorts until it breaks this high right here. We've been hovering around the 78%, so maybe it will respect this area, maybe it will start to move up to the upside. If you do go long, then you're just speculating that this is going to happen. There's really no proof that that's going to happen because all the higher time frames, like the daily time frame, the 4 hour time frame, are in a downtrend. So what could happen is it might just go up a little bit, take out these highs, and then break to the downside and continue down. I will continue to look for sorts, and if you've been continuing to look for sorts over the last several weeks like I have, then you've definitely made a very, very lot of money in these markets, just like I have. Trading with the trend is definitely the way to go most of the time. The market will tell you when the trend is over by breaking structure to the upside, and it definitely has not done so yet. So I'm definitely still leaning towards more sorts at the end of any pullbacks I see. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.